Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be reviewing the Manga dashboard and app. And I want to preface this by saying that I will be reviewing my own products, and if you're interested, please continue watching. So this product is a dashboard, a Google Sheet dashboard, and a AppSheet app. And I decided to create this because I know a lot of people who read mangas and they often buy doubles, so because they don't have track of all their products, and I thought it would be awesome to be able to track what they buy. And I had a special request from a client from Etsy who asked for this specifically, and she kind of helped me develop it. So her name is Eva, and she's out there, thank you. And she gave some really awesome suggestions. One of the ones I like was adding this here, the ramens for rating. And I created this app and dashboard because I thought it would be nice to be able to track all your books. And I'm just going to review first the dashboard. Here you could put your library name, and just for the record, I think if you have more than 1,000 mangas, then you could officially call your book collection a library. And then over here, when you select your title, it actually changes, all the data changes. So since this has a lot of the same information, it stays the same. However, the data actually updates. And what's cool about it, it's very easy to use, and all you have to do is fill out either the data in this table. There is a table here, I promise. So there's actually this table. If you fill out the data in this table, you can easily start looking for your data here. So I'm just going to go over quickly what it has. First, you have basic details, title, writer, artist, series name, total issues, and series number. Then you have your stats here, and then you also have the quantity, location, storage, completed, and rating. And then you also have a space for notes. So it's a very simple dashboard that allows you to manage all your books, and you could always change and look and see. And it's cool because if you're home and you're looking at it and you want to look at what you have, what you don't have, then it's really cool because it allows you to keep track of all your books. You can pull them up, you know what's the worth is going to be, and you just could be easily track where it's at. Let's say for this book you have one, it's in the bedroom, the storage location is box 25. Did you complete it? Yes. Rating, and if you want you could write notes, and this drops down so that you can write more notes if you need to. And if you want, you could add columns here and add more notes. If you write a lot of information, you could actually either make this longer or actually just add more columns. And this is the only one you could do that for, because you really can't change the information here because it would change how it works. I wouldn't delete anything from here either. So what's cool about this is what you have on your desktop, but the way you enter data, you could actually do it on the go. So sometimes people have apps. This product specifically is on Etsy, and people have apps, and you'll have to use your Google Sheet on your phone, and that's kind of cumbersome. But this actually has a real app that you could download onto your phone once you transfer this into your collection. I just want to also say that a caveat is that when you download this is not a download, it's a digital transfer. And when you transfer it, it's going to say that there's files, external files. A lot of people get like a little bit nervous about that because they think that it's external files or that it has a bug or something. The first thing I want to say is external files, because the files right now, they're in my Google Drive. So they're going from my Google Drive to your Google Drive. And the time you want to be careful for a file, for a Google file, is when they say that it has script. So if somebody's transferring a file and that file and you don't know that person and it has script on it, then that's when you have to be careful about the file a lot, because that's when, if it has a script, they could run it and can gather your data. My files do not have script. My Google Sheet does not have any script on it. I personally do not write script for Google Sheets. I don't know how. For example, I'll do Excel script, and I have several scripted files that I sell on Etsy, but I do not write Google script. I don't know how. I don't really want to, because I tried it in the past and I found that it was just like, for me, I didn't find it as pleasant and enjoyable as VBA. So this has no script in it, absolutely no script. So you don't have to worry about someone taking data out of your system, because it's unscripted. And if you want to check, you could go and check when you drop this down. You could check in one of these tools here. I couldn't show you because, like I said, excuse me, I don't write script for this, so I have not placed any script in this file. Now back to the app. So here it's gonna ask you, once you do open this, it's gonna say it's gonna transfer file. It's just transferring actually the spreadsheet and this into your Google Drive, and that's what's happening. I know a lot of people don't want to do that, but it's just transferring the data from my location to your location. And yes, so to move on from there, you have, this will show up on your phone. Once you download it onto your phone, it shows up as an app. You could actually add it to your home screen, and you could open it like this. One thing I do have to preface is that this is not a regular app, so not that it lags, but it operates a little bit different than some apps, but it loads in a different way. So for example, when you load it, you do this, and then it starts loading and it syncs, so you're gonna see it load like that. But other than that, it's pretty much a regular app. And what's cool about it, all you do is you press this here. So this is the UPC number. This is not on the dashboard, but I could definitely add it. Let me know in the comment section if you think the dashboard should be added to, the UPC number should be added to the dashboard. And you could scan it. Actually, you can scan the UPC from your book onto here. After that, you have to manually add the ISBN. You add your title. You can add the writer, the artist, and what's cool about it is you can start adding new titles and then just keep on selecting from a drop down. And whenever you see this little arrow here, you're going to be able to do that. And then total issues, series number, genre, format, year, publisher, condition, price, value, quantity, location, storage, where you're keeping it at, like in box 25 or whatever. Completed, yes, no. Rating, really cool. You get to keep like these little ramen bowls, how many you think it deserves. And you can place an image. And what's cool about this is the image will be on your Manga spreadsheet. So I'll show you shortly. So once you do that, I'm not going to continue that. But once you do that, you've added a listing to your app. So you can see here it says it's Eternal Edition, bedroom, box 25. So you just want to check that. So it's Eternal Edition 1. And then it's in box 25, the bedroom. And that's if you want to locate. And then this is for adding. So here you see, it's going to see this is series number 1. And this is, it's going to break it down into series. So that way, if you're in the bookstore, you can see automatically what you have as you add. This is for locating. This is for adding your mangas. Once again, it's going to be the same way. And then this is just the gallery. So let's say you're in the store and you just want to scroll down and see what you have. This is what it does. So now I'm just going to go to the spreadsheet quickly. It has, you can place your image. So that's really cool because you just can simply add your image to the spreadsheet, and once you upload it, everything will be uploaded. And that's pretty much the Manga app. I just wanted to do a quick video because I know there's a lot of people out there who collect mangas who want to actually categorize and keep inventory of what they have. It could also show you like what your collection is worth. It could show you what your collection is worth and how many you have in your collection. And also it can help you from buying doubles. A lot of times you end up buying doubles because you can't find what you have. And it's a great way to keep track of it. If you loan it to someone also, you know, like you loaned it's missing from your collection, you can make a note. So I am really happy with this new addition to my apps in the Etsy store. And if you have any ideas, or if you think this is a good product or have any ideas, please add your comments below. I would love to hear from you. Bye.